What do you get when you mix a chocolate jigsaw with flaming hot flavor shots? We're about to find out. "16 subscribers away from 1,000. I just want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these tonight. Most of you guys know I am a flaming hot connoisseur. I am a lover of flaming hot. I am a friend of the flaming hot. I will go to war for the flaming hot. So on the package, it looks like big balls. Real small balls. So it's like a flaming hot Cheetos puff in a small testicle form. Flavor 6.3, heat 0.4. The chocolate jigsaw. This is a Jason Beard pepper. The Jason Beard peppers are stupid, crazy hot. I'll also put a link to Jason Beard's email down in the description, so go check him out. He's the mad scientist of pepper growers. I watched the show Super Hot, Super Crazy People of Pepper World, whatever, right? It was a good show. But I think Jason should have been in that show, because these are the hottest peppers I've ever had in my life. The chocolate jigsaw from Jason Beard. I haven't ate a super hot pepper in probably at least a couple weeks. So to say my tolerance is really super low right now is a super understatement. Plus, it's a chocolate pepper and that floral flavor. I really do not like those floral peppers. Jason Beard, if you are watching this video, please do not send me any floral peppers this year. I'm not a fan. Heat's building. Eyes are gushing water. Eyes are gushing water. And not just because this is a super crazy hot pepper, but also because my tolerance is real low. Good mouth burn. Heat starting to hit me at the back of the throat. Flavor. Floral pepper. Mushy, frozen, floral pepper. Gross. Flavor 3.3. Guys, the heat on this pepper is absolutely insane. Even though my tolerance is low, I knew what to expect coming into this pepper, heat-wise. Heat. First, I want to say this. Heat. Guys, my heat's up there right now. Again, the low tolerance. Heat, we're looking at 8.3. I'm going through it right now, guys. These are good. If you haven't tried them yet, but you've tried Cheetos Flamin' Hot Puffs, it's the same thing, just in a different shape. If you've enjoyed today's video, please show me by hitting that like button. Eyes are still gushing water. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I'd really appreciate your subscription. And until next time, I love each and every one of you.